Hello viewers, when I want to create a new Gmail showing this error, verify your phone number. And if I click on verify option showing this error, this may take a few moments. Now if I click on try again, it's returned to previous error. In this tutorial, I will explain to you why is this happening and how to fix it. So let's see. First let me tell you why is this happening. Actually, when you create many Gmails within a certain period of time, then this error appears. Or when you create many Gmails with the same number and try to create a new Gmails again, such an error appears. Currently, you can create a limited number of Gmails account from a phone number. Now, if you want to create a new Gmail account, how to do it, I'll tell you now. If you want to create new Gmail account now, then you have to delete the unnecessary Gmail accounts on your phone. That is, you have to delete completely the unnecessary Gmail accounts on your phone. After deleting the unnecessary Gmail account, if you go to create a new Gmail account, you will see that the problem has been resolved. If the problem is still not resolved, then wait for few times. After few times, your problem will be solved automatically. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.